The first installment in the technological attempt designed to curb and possibly end abduction of children is due to be released soon. This incredible technology being developed by PrimeHangout.com is the first of its kind anywhere. Whether you are here at school or sightseeing around town or on a study program abroad or deep in the jungle or forest somewhere, or exploring the height of a mountain or the uninhabitable part of the world, or enjoying vacation time with family and loved ones, or looking for a way to hit the jackpot and win big. Our goal is to make sure you get back home safe and sound. Let the abductors know that the end to their evil intent is near. www.primehangout.com is the next step.